Hey guys, my name is Ron Crow, and today I'm going to show you how I use my 80-watt MOPA to engrave PMAGs. But before I do, please hit that like and subscribe button so you can get more notifications from me whenever I post new videos. Let's take a look. Okay, so if we take a look inside of Lightburn, you'll see I've got 4 different colors. I've got tan, light gray, gray, and brown. So for tan, my settings are 7,500 with a frequency of 50, and my max power is at 20%. And again, I want to remind everybody I am using an 80-watt MOPA Haoshin fiber laser, so you may need to adjust your power settings accordingly for your machine. But for me, I'm using a max power of 20%. My line interval's at 0.05, and my scan angle's at 45. I am using 2 passes with a -45 angle increment with bidirectional fill and crosshatch enabled. So that's what I'm using for my tan settings. For light gray, I'm using 6,000 speed, frequency of 50, max power of 15. My line interval is 0.08, and my scan angle is 45 with 1 pass. And my angle increment is not going to matter because it's only 1 pass, with bidirectional fill disabled and my crosshatch disabled. Then if we take a look at my settings for gray, I've got 7,500 with a frequency of 50, max power 15, line interval is 0.08, scan angle is 45 with 1 pass. Again, angle increment doesn't matter, and I have bidirectional and crosshatch disabled. Then for brown, we cooked this a little bit longer, so we are using a speed of 2,000 this time, frequency of 50, max power of 30. My line interval this time is going to be 10, and my my scan angle is going to be 45 with number of passes of 1. Be very careful with this, obviously, if you do more passes, because you are really cooking it for the brown setting. So disable bidirectional fill and crosshatch. That should get you these 3 settings. So let's go ahead and take a look at the laser and see how these turn out. Okay, so after the watching video, you can see that we have the 4 colors. We have the tan, we have the light gray, the gray. It is kind of just a little subtle difference. I'm not sure if it's picking up right on the camera here, but this is just slightly darker. And then we have, of course, the brown. I'm trying to get this in a little bit closer here. So we have the tan, the light gray, the gray, and the brown. So these are the 4 colors that I have got setting with my MOPA. I'd love to hear from anyone else that has different colors or better settings than what I've showed in the video. I hope this helped those of you that are trying to do this with your laser and get the settings right. Again, please do me a favor, like and subscribe, and I will get more videos out there. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you just want to say hello. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.